If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat something went wrong problem, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I'd like to open Snapchat, and as you can see, everything is working as for me. I can easily use chats, snaps, and so on. So how can you do the same? How can you fix this problem and you'll be able to log in finally? Firstly, we need to open the App Store or Google Play, depends on your mobile type, and here search for Snapchat. So after that, open the app page on the App Store, and here make sure that you have the latest version. If you have the update button, click on it and then install the latest version on Snapchat. After that, your problem will be probably automatically solved. So the next thing we need to do is just simply go to settings, then click on general right up here, and then go to iPhone storage. And after that, we need to click on Snapchat here, and then just click on Upload App. So after that, your data will be deleted from your device, and you need to reinstall it by simply click on Reinstall Data. And then you need to try to open Snapchat, and probably you'll have the ability to log in. But if it's not, go back, and now go back, and from this page here, simply scroll down to find the Snapchat settings. And here we need to click on Snapchat and make sure that the background app refresh feature is turned on. So probably this is the hidden reason of how can you fix it. And after that, you can try to open the Snapchat. But if it still doesn't work, you need to click on it, click on Remove App, delete it, and then just reinstall it from your App Store or Google Play. So after that, your problem will be automatically solved. So this is a way of how can we fix a Snapchat something went wrong problem. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.